Stop. So Blondie and me have always been besties, but this year, now that both the girls are laying and laying a lot, he is like extra moody because we keep taking his eggs. I notice each time I leave, egg or not, he like checks my freaking pockets like I'm a master thief. Stop. But he's got to know his eggs would crack and not make it. So we're going to still look. I think that we're due for an egg today. So I'm going to try to look without getting majorly attacked.